Hi friends, it's Jen, and today I'm going to be making some tostadas with the three sisters. I learned that the three sisters of the indigenous people of the Americas are squash, corn, and beans. Okay, so Sunday night, I believe, I put some lentils to soak and they've sprouted. So now I'm going to go ahead and cook them. Okay, so I had some lentils readily available, so I thought I'd use these. I was going to use some pintos, but I didn't want to open that sack. But perhaps I probably will soon. Okay, and I have some Mexican squash, cleaned and chopped, onion and garlic, and I'm going to add some corn, probably a little bit more corn, and corn tortillas ready. I have them on low because I'm trying to make them into tostadas so we can have some tostadas today. Okay, and I'm also going to put on to cook some rice. Okay, so I have some onion here I'm going to saute. And garlic, there's garlic right here. And there goes the Mexican squash. Okay, so I was given some thought, and I was doing a little research yesterday, and I was thinking of taking one of those ancestry DNA tests. And I kind of was looking into some reviews, and one of them got a good review, being that it's an independently owned company and they don't answer to any investors and they don't sell your information. So I thought I'm gonna go for it out of curiosity, just to get to know a little bit more past what I already know, and see what happens. Have any of you ever done a test like that, or have you ever considered doing a test like that? I think it'll kind of be interesting to know just a little bit more about yourself, your family, and those before you. Okay, so now I added some corn and I added a little water. I'm gonna get some salt and some pepper in here in a few minutes. Just trying to get it to break down or soften up. And then to this, I'm gonna chop some cilantro in this too. Some cilantro. And I think from this point, I'm gonna go ahead and cover it just so it can steam cook. Okay, so I added some cherry tomatoes, and now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of black pepper. Okay, so the squash is cooking and the wild rice is ready. I'm going to use half of the wild rice and turn it into cilantro lime rice. Actually, I should just put a little sprinkle of salt just for flavor first. Some sea salt. Okay, so I'm going to use half just in case my husband or my son don't want cilantro wild rice. What do you say we start building the taco? Here are the lentils. I'm gonna put a nice base of lentils on the taco shell or the tortilla shell. And a scoop of cilantro lemon rice. Yep, this is gonna be Carb City, folks. Starchy Carb City. I think it looks delish. And let's add some lime and cilantro and some onion and tomato on top, just for some flavor. Look at that, friends. Okay, friends, let's go ahead and take a bite. Look how pretty it is. It's so funny.
Hey, let go.
I am. I hadn't paused it. Tastes great, friends. Tom is right here and he's making me laugh. All right, friends. So here we have the three sisters. We have some beans, corn, and some squash here. I also added some of the wild rice and what you would call pico de gallo on top to give it some flavor on a nice toasted tortilla shell. Okay, friends, let me know in the comments below what you think and what's your favorite toppings on your tostada. And let me know in the comments below as well if you would ever try your Ancestry DNA. All right, friends, thank you so much for watching. What's so funny? And I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.